Hi guys, welcome back to channel Tech Up and this is Mitesh. So guys, today I have with me some PC components which is because I'll be building my custom PC. So guys, now without further ado, let's begin with the unboxing. So guys, talking about the processor, here I have chosen Ryzen 5800X, which is one of the very good processor by AMD. And guys, this processor can be overclocked. Overclocked in simple words, it can be boosted to give you good performance. And guys, talking about the processor, this processor is mainly used for good gaming and good editing purposes. And talking about the most important part about this PC is its motherboard. So guys, I'm using Asus ROG Strix 570 motherboard, which uses the latest chipset out there. And guys, now talking about its features, it supports PCIe 4.0 with HDMI 2.0 support, and it has a DisplayPort of 1.2 with features such as dual M.2 support with USB 3.2 Type A and Type C connectors with PCIe Gen 4 and Wi-Fi 6 support. So here I have two RAMs which clocks at 3200 MHz of cycle, and I chose this RAM because of the software that Corsair offers, that is the IQ software, using which I can control the lighting of my whole PC. So now talking about the most exciting part about this PC build is definitely going to be its graphic card. So guys, here I have with me 1660 Super graphic card from Colorful Company. And guys, this is not the final graphic card. I'll be soon upgrading it with something better. So till that time you can guess what it can be. Can it be 3060 Ti or 3090? Well, to know about it, just make sure that you stay tuned to my channel. So now talking about the storage options, I'll be using the Kingston M.2 NVMe card, which is over here. And talking about the proper storage, here I have storage from Seagate company, which is of 1 TB. So guys, now moving to the next components. So talking about the power supply, here I have with me 80 plus bronze certified non-modular power supply, and to tell you, we calculated our power supply and it was falling way less below 650 watts of power supply. So we have given some headroom for our future upgrades. And talking about the cooling of our PC, which is the most important feature for any PC to work smoothly and efficiently, we have with us Lian Gaillard AIO 360, which is of RGB. And talking about this liquid cooler, this is a 360mm red, which is extremely silent, which comes with aluminum housing, so the build quality is made to last over years. And talking about its fans, it can rotate at 1900 RPM. Well, now coming to the aesthetic part of our PC, here I have with me this beautiful Corsair 4000X case, which is a mid-tower case. And talking about the airflow, as you can see over here, it has a nice airflow system over here. So talking about its features, here we have plenty of room given for the airflow. And talking about the build quality looks solid and the attention to details is also very good. Hey guys, so I got all the components over here and I'm very excited to do my build, and I can't wait to see how the final product looks. So make sure you stay tuned till the end of the video and let's begin with the build. So guys, we have fully assembled this PC and now let's boot the PC for the first time. Hey guys, so we are done building our PC and as you can see over here, it just looks beautiful, at least to me. I certainly did not expect it to look so good. So you can see over here. So talking about this PC, I would like to thank Praveen, who is also into professional computer building, to help us with this computer. And guys, I'll be also providing his contact number in the description box. So please make sure you check it out. And if you have been here with us watching this entire video, then thank you for watching it and I'll see you in my next video. Until then, take care.